Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this balloon bouquet using Dollar Tree supplies. All you're going to do is pick whatever kind of design of balloons that you want to get at the Dollar Tree. They have quite a few variety of them, from flowers to animals to little unicorns. Just pick whichever ones you want. You can even use the number ones as well. Go ahead and blow up all your balloons. And then what I did was just add a little piece of tape just to make sure that that air stayed in there. This did take a little time, but it wasn't nothing too bad. So just go ahead and continue blowing up all your balloons. And again, just add a little piece of tape at the end just to make sure that that air stays in there. This was the first time I've ever made a balloon bouquet. I've made balloon arches a lot and I'm really comfortable with that. But making a balloon bouquet was kind of tough for me, so I kind of just improvised as I went and kind of figured out how to do it. And there's quite a few different things that I think I will do next time, but I wanted to share with you how I did it the very first time. So once I blew up all of my foil balloons, I went ahead and just grabbed a different variety color of balloons. And usually at Dollar Tree or any store, they'll have a package of just a variety of different colors of balloons. You can just pick whichever one you want and then just blow those up as big as you want as well. So once you're done doing all the balloons and blowing them up, just go ahead and set them aside, and you're going to grab a poster board and then some foam. I'm just using some foam from a box that I had, but you can also use the pool noodles as well, and that's one of the things that I would change. I think I would use a pool noodle instead, just so the bottom part or the stem of the balloon bouquet wouldn't be so thick. So just go ahead and use what you have, and then you're going to go ahead and grab your balloons. Using your hot glue gun, you can put it on low temp and then use that to glue your balloons onto your foam. But if you don't feel comfortable using your hot glue gun on medium temp or low, you can go ahead and use double-sided tape as well. So first what I did was just put my foil balloons, or the main balloons, onto where I wanted to place them. Once I was done, this was about 2 to 3 feet tall. So now what I did was just cut the stem a little bit at the height I wanted, and then the poster board, I just got my box cutter and kind of shaped it round. Since I didn't do this before, I think I would do this before I add my balloons, but you can still do it afterwards, as you can see I'm doing it. But I think I would do that differently as well, and just cut the poster board into a round circle. Because you do want that hard back in order for you to put the backing and the tissue paper in the back. So that's why you need that poster board. Now, you're just gonna grab the tissue paper, and I used the green tissue paper for the stem part, and I just wrapped it around my stem and just went ahead and turned it over and used hot glue and tape to tape that tissue paper to the back. And then you can just start filling in all the areas with tissue paper. Just be very careful, and again, you need to use low or medium temp. Don't use the high temp on your hot glue, because if that glue touches one of the balloons, it will pop. I think this is such a cute idea to use as decoration for a party or as a gift. You could do this and then just add a gift card to the bow or something like that, and I think this would be adorable. So once I added all the tissue paper to the front, I grabbed some floral wrapping paper from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to fold it like an accordion. And I'm going to double side it. So basically, something else I would do different is I would just cut two pieces together and then fold them like an accordion together instead of doing it separate. That way you can make sure that it's all the same length and folded in the same place. And it's gonna eliminate a lot of double work afterwards. So that's another thing that I would do differently. So just go ahead and double it up, and that way you can have the front and back the same, the accordion, instead of doing it this way, the way I'm doing it. Because it was kind of hard to even them up. And then all I did was add a little bit of hot glue on the bottom part of the double accordion to make sure that they stay both in place. And then once you glue that to your bouquet, just go ahead and flatten it down a little bit, and you can also glue that as well. But what I did was I grabbed a ribbon and just put that on the edge of my accordion wrapping paper, and then tightly wrap that around a few times and make sure it was nice and secure. And with that hot glue, it stayed in place. And you might be wondering, why am I showing you something that I would do differently? It's because I want to share with you guys the way I do my DIYs. Sometimes they don't come out perfectly the first time, but I learned from the first one, and that way I can do it better the second time. So once I tied the back, I went ahead and just flipped it over and tied it in the front. Then I made a bow with the same ribbon, that white ribbon. And this would be easier using the wired ribbon. But again, if you just don't have wire ribbon and you have the regular ribbon, just go ahead and use that. But I'm using the wire ribbon. Go ahead and fluff up your bow, and then all you're going to do is hot glue that to the bottom part or the stem of your bouquet. Now you're going to fill in all the spots that you want that extra balloon at, and then just add your balloons, again using a low or medium temp on your hot glue gun or double-sided tape. So once you're done, just let it all completely dry, and there you have it, an adorable balloon bouquet, perfect for anybody and any kind of gift. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.